Good day everybody, this is Nelca Roco again, and while I am doing my supermarket lighting design techniques course in Udemy, I encountered this CRI and CCT for fish. Yes, okay, so while I'm doing this now, because I get a penalty from Udemy that some of my courses are really incomplete, so they penalized me for this, and some of my courses now are shut down because of that. So I'm working on it now to make it complete. Okay, so while I'm doing this one, because I'm completing my supermarket lighting now, I encountered this fish and seafood. So you can see here in a supermarket, say for example this is the layout of a supermarket, there's a fish and seafood section. And I realized, what if the fish is a salmon? Because for a fish and seafood, you should have at least 5,000 Kelvin to make it more fresh-looking fishes. Okay? But what if it's a cut fish, like a salmon fish? So what should be the color rendering index or the color temperature? What should be the lamp for this salmon section? Okay, so I got this one. This is one of the brochure for the supermarket lighting design. And it is mentioned it should be 2,500 Kelvin. Yeah, you can see it here, 2,500. So when you have a fish section in your grocery or in your supermarket, you should provide a different or specific luminaire for a salmon meat like this one. I think, in my opinion, you can put it close to meat section, but because it's a fish and it's a red fish, I don't think you should provide, say for example, I'm opening my sample Dalex Evo now, you should provide a separate lamp for a salmon. So, okay, this is just a question. You may want, if you want to answer or you want to comment on this one, please comment now in the section tab here in this video, and let me know how are we going to place this salmon in our supermarket area. Because fish and seafood, 5,500 Kelvin. But how about the salmon? Okay, so let me know if you have comments, if you have additional info about this one, and how are you going to lay out in your supermarket. Okay, so I'm working now with my courses, so please, for those who enrolled in my course, please bear with me. I'm also updating my book right now, and inshallah I will finish all of these courses soon. Okay, see you again on the next video.